I just found this garage who is doing this carbon hydrocarbon clean the engine. Check it out. It saves up to 50% of fuel, and it cleans out the whole carbon from your whole car. Now I drove in here with a 21 years old Toyota Prius, which almost 130,000 miles. So let me just put on the car. So you can hear there is a little bit of rattling going on. Of course, it's an old engine, and this system to clean out all the carbon from the valves and everywhere. Right? With precisely this machine. Now this is the advertised original from the company, hydrogen engine carbon cleaning, the EcoFlex for all engines. So you can bring your diesel, you can bring your petrol, no problem. And in days like we live now, obviously saving 15% on fuel really pushes down your carbon footprint, and this is precisely the situation why I brought it to this garage. This is a brand new thing going on here. This is just opened up. This in Chesson. I will have the address in the description. Then you just come here, and the guy knock it out. You're gonna get the free diagnostics, and it's gonna cost you £99. Which I'm really happy to pay, because that £99 will be coming back on fuel very soon and very easily. So he will be connecting it to the machine, and then we keep it there. Right, so he will be connecting it to the machine, and he's gonna run it for an hour. And then I will tell you what the situation is. You can hear this engine is not running as smooth as it should, but of course 130,000 miles. And this is well worth the money, because on the savings, on the fuel savings, you're gonna be reducing your carbon footprint by 15%. And these days, of course, with the climate change and everything, this is extremely crucial that everybody looks into this. Now it's connected to the machine. Now he will set it up. He's gonna run it for an hour, and
what's the mileage on it?
123,000.
Oh, you're definitely gonna notice the difference.
Yeah. And it never was done before. This is a 21 years old car, and after it's done, I will be back with the video to update you, and you will hear for yourself what difference it will make. And then in a few weeks, I will come back to you and will tell you if they made a difference to the fuel consumption. But of course, we're talking here about a gear which is several £1,000s worth. This is the real thing.